Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to change WhatsApp call notification ringtone on an Android device. Go to your phone menu, find WhatsApp, tap on the WhatsApp icon. Make sure that you are on the Chats tab. Tap on More Options, which is a three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Tap on Settings option. Tap on Notifications. Scroll down to Call Notifications section. Tap on Ringtone. Select your preferred ringtone. Tap OK to confirm. As you can see, WhatsApp call notification ringtone has been changed. This is how you can change WhatsApp call notification ringtone on an Android device.